Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use navbar and how it work on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So simply at first open settings, scroll down, click on lock screen and AOD, then showing it to navbar. Make sure to turn on, just turn on, view more, then you can use this app on your navbar. So I'm just enable and use. So like open my voice record, start and just lock, then it's use from my navbar. So that's it, that's how you can do it.